Shalom, shalom, shalom. Brother Randy here and Sister Toya. Say hi.
Shalom.
And we are here processing this turkey that I shot today. It's a nice one. It has to be at least about 9 pounds. But we're getting this thing done and put this in the freezer. It is just, as you know it, you know me, it is a beautiful thing. But it's about 9:30 at night here and as well. I'm cooking dinner tonight. I don't know if you can see this, but we got some ground beef with some tomatoes from the garden, some onions, some green peppers, and a whole bunch of seasoning going on in here. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight as well. So me personally, I love to cook. I'm cooking this. So this is some good eating tonight. We just wanted to do a quick update and what's going on. She's getting after it, and we're all getting after it. But yeah, it's a beautiful thing. Shalom.